21st, opening day of East River deer season. Me and CJ, Noah, and Kyle all have tags East River this year. All of us are on the same piece of public right now. There's one other vehicle in with us, but that's alright. We got here early. But we got pictures of some nice bucks this summer. And we just gotta hope people kind of pressure them enough to suck them into this one spot. There's a lot of good bedding area in here. But that's all I really got.
We had to flip a coin this morning to see who gets first shot. Jaden won the bet, or the flip, so I guess we'll see what happens when deer start showing up.
As always, stay tuned. You're watching Big Bear Outdoors.
He's in. Yep. I'm on him. Let him go. It's up to you. I'll stay on him. Yep. I'm on him.
Dude, you're freaking joking. What are we, 10 minutes in? 20 minutes in?
Yeah.
Oh my god. 20 minutes in. Just called in a gorgeous 5-point. Right onto this public line, jumped a fence. Oh my god. Dude, he's a big buck.
Yeah.
I'm done, Brony.
Hello?
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done. I just smoked a big 5-point.
Really?
Called him across the fence. He was running on private, cruising by himself. And I snort wheezed at him and he jumped the fence and came running.
How many are you guys seeing over there? Just that one or what?
It's only the second deer, I think.
It's only the second deer we've seen this morning. Dude, me and CJ even flipped a coin. And then we...
You flipped a coin, who got to shoot?
Yeah. And I won the flip, and what we were going to do is every buck we had to rotate. So like if we saw a spike, that would have been my buck that I had to either pass or shoot.
And of course it was a giant 5.
First buck I see, I told CJ, I'm like, dude, I can see antlers, he's big. All right, guys, that's a wrap for me for my rifle season. I was just telling CJ, this is by far the least amount of time I've had to hunt during a rifle season. I've ate a lot of tags over the years, and I couldn't be any happier with this year. Last weekend I hunted a day and a half West River and killed a really cool buck. And this year we came over east again, and I mean, we're 25 minutes into shooting light and got it done on this beautiful 5-point. Like I said, I couldn't be happier. We appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching Big Bear Outdoors.
What's up, guys? Season is winding down here for the 2020 rifle seasons for Big Bear Outdoors, and I just seen a giant whitetail. I mean, he would have been the biggest whitetail I ever shot, so giant to me anyway. Asked for permission, the guy wouldn't let me on just because him and his dad still had some tags to fill, but otherwise he said he would have. That's how it goes. I mean, I was close, real close to getting permission to chase a nice one, but I'm out for 4 days now, and we're gonna try and fill a couple more tags. We've got 3 of us with East River tags, and 3 of us still have bow tags. So options are there, but we're gonna have another fun little boys weekend. Can't wait. What's up, guys? It is the final morning of the 2020 South Dakota East River deer season. It took me down to the wire for my West River tag, and it's definitely pushing me down to the wire for my East River tag. This is probably the first time in several years that I've had to grind it out until the last day to shoot a deer. I mean, we almost kind of came close yesterday. We had a quick little opportunity and that was it. There's big bucks here though. I mean, they're around, we know they're around. We've got camera pictures of some, and we just know there's big bucks around. It's just a matter of catching one at the right time, chasing the doe, or somebody else pushing the deer out to us. But come with me. We'll see if we can't make a little magic happen on the final day. Well, guys, that was probably one of my worst performances of shooting in a long time. As soon as that buck stood up, I tried to get him right away because I thought he was going to leave. I mean, there's some cars driving around, and his doe wasn't really feeling things. So I kind of rushed it, and I freaking shanked it the first time. I know I just flat out missed that deer. And then the second shot and the third shot, I hit him. I didn't want him to go anywhere. He's a really nice whitetail. The last day, baby. The last day! Man, I worked really freaking hard for this deer this year, and we did not have a lot of opportunities. It's not really that I was choosy like I might have been on my West River tag. It was that there just wasn't any opportunities. I mean, this is an area with big deer, but odds are really low. I mean, I told a lot of people first thing opening morning. I said, if you don't get a text from me that says deer down by 9 a.m., my odds go from 85% chance of killing a nice buck to about 5. Well, it worked, but let's go check them out. It's 3 out of 4 tags filled. I've got an East River archery tag left that I don't know. We'll see if I fill that or not, but it's been one heck of a year for everybody at VBO. No doubt. No doubt. All right, guys. My East River buck from 2020 here. It was a long ground out season for me. A lot of people, a lot of pressure. There was a lot of deer died of disease this year, so numbers were also kind of low. Some of the other guys weren't really able to spend as much time out here with us as we'd like either, but nonetheless, got ourselves another buck down. Sweet. Heck of a season, guys. Thanks for coming along with us. I know everybody appreciates it here on the team, and we hope that everybody else had a successful season as well. CJ from Big Bear Outdoors. We'll see you guys soon.